In our previous video, we took the Lakeshore Limited from New York to Chicago. Now we're heading to Montana on the Empire Builder Superliner. There are 6 seating options to choose from, and we booked 2 roomettes. They come with these perks, including lounge access. Ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going Gate B, track 19.
You going the right way?
Yes, we're going in. I think we'll be able to figure it out. There's tracks 14 through 30, but then it also says Amtrak gates to go left. So that's south. Okay, yeah, odd tracks north.
Now 40 gate will close.
Are we at the right place?
Yo, come outside.
Thank you. You know, you could have checked a lot of these big bags too.
We're stopping in Montana, and they don't have a baggage claim.
No.
Which sucks, yeah. Oh, upstairs.
Thank you so much.
4 and 7. Oh, we're on this side. Yeah, it does tilt. It's definitely different. And
No bathroom.
oh, and there's no like compartment. There's a closet. Oh, I missed the other one more. Oh man, the other one was so much better.
So we basically just talked our way on by accident, like a half hour early, which is good because this group can use all the extra settling time.
Yeah.
So.
Amen.
Bye-bye, Chicago.
Reservations for the dining car, please.
Car that you're
Yeah, I mean, I like flooding.
What'd you get with it?
I'm not changing.
The polenta is delicious.
Did you like it?
Very good. Very delicious.
Mom?
Very good.
Looks so pretty with the edible flowers.
Those are edible?
The Pirates of Montana.
It does not taste edible.
Dessert time. We brought our dessert to the Roomette.
And it's okay to eat it here because this is Blair's bed.
Oh yeah, that's true. Let me see.
We didn't do that.
No.
That was the first bell that wasn't us.
We're needy. We try not to be. Yes. I asked for the cheesecake not to have the strawberry drizzle, and the guy did it.
Exactly.
Because I said no. What I said was.
I don't think this should be like bouncing. Wait. Yeah, I guess.
There we go.
I guess because there's no weight on it to keep it down.
All right, take a bite. Ooh, no good. This is our first no good,
It's fine.
but it's not good.
Weirdo.
It's okay. It's not great.
This is what it's like to brush your teeth in Trant. Yeah. Wait a second. I got back in here and Bee's made her way in my bed. You little turd. What? You're up there. Where are we?
North Dakota.
We've stopped at a train station that you can't see that, but it says we're sitting in the geographical center of North America. What'd you order? We ordered scrambled eggs, and I brought my frosted flakes and coffee. things don't actually work, but I think in the old days maybe music and volume worked. Little light. This reclines. These are the steps to go up. Trash. Oh look, what's this?
The one and only outlet.
Yeah, there's only one outlet. What's this thing?
That supposedly controls this airflow, but really there's like none. Closet. Very skinny, but holds things.
Yeah. And there's a lot of hooks that we usually hang our bags on.
So right now we have it in the mid position.
There's a higher position that it can go up. So we have it on the mid right now. And that's because we have storage right now. So it goes to right
The
there.
problem with this is this. If you're tall or not tall but have a long torso, this doesn't work. I'm only 5'6", but I'm all torso. So this is like extremely uncomfortable. So we've been doing it in this middle position, but you have to put weight up here to keep it. Otherwise it like bounces when you're on the train.
Okay.
To a table.
Put the Kindle there. And Caitlin leans right there. And then heat comes out of here.
Which we are not using because it's hot already.
And we're in Montana. Oh, and there's a mirror. Full window.
But no window up top.
Oh yeah. No window up top.
That was Wolf Point, Montana. Next stop will be Glasgow.
So there is this net here that you can put a bunch of stuff in when you're sleeping on the top. And there is no window. And then there's a little mattress pad that you get that'll go on the bottom one. And then one's already on top for this bed. And we also asked for more pillows because they only come with one per person.
And it's pretty quiet. Like,
It actually is really quiet. And then you just Velcro.
well, really you want to like Velcro it to this. Like that. Locked. Now we are fully private. Here, we'll do this too, so you can see how dark it gets. This is middle of the day. That's good.
It's pretty dark.
Yeah, like you could definitely nap in here.
Yeah, we have.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Party of four. Emily, party of four to the diner. Your table's ready?
That's us. We're gonna go get some food. That's always late.
Are we ready here?
The burger?
The burger. Natural Angus.
Children's hot dog.
I told you our flight changed, right?
What?
You're not leaving for a
Oh my
week.
God.
No, I just don't know what it is.
We're on our last stop. We're getting off a little early because Caitlin's dad said that he could pick us up a stop early. So we're getting off at Havre, I think is how you say it, instead of Shelby. He's going to drive us from there to Caitlin's parents' place. And that is the end of our stop on this trip. It's been a long trip. Anything you have to say about traveling on a train?
I liked it. I mean, obviously, it makes way more sense to do it if you're like going somewhere really scenic. But I think it's fun. Like, I think it's cozy. I think you can like read, watch movies. I finished an audiobook. I'm a fan.
Yeah. Headphones.
Bail out.
Yeah. Good thing we didn't do baggage claim. Thank you. Buckle up for next trip because we are back in the car again, driving from Montana to Florida and back. Car's not turning on. We see some crazy stuff. It's called the Nuclear Waste Adventure Trail.
I see it! Oh my god!
The ball of twine!
27,000 pounds.
Caitlin, how do you feel? Crazy stuff happens to us. But now we lose an hour of our day. I got pulled over. I was going 80 and a 60. Oh, the car got broken into. Reporting live from the geographic center of the continental United States.
Moonshine tasting.
Okay, we're ending the night in the Smoky Mountains National Park.
We see our crazy friends.
Can't go on different sides of trees or poles because it breaks the energy.
Whoa, Will, be careful. Oh, geez, Caitlin got Chevy.
This is December in Florida.
We're at a rest stop in Arkansas.
We're officially turning on Route 66. It was awesome. Just get ready, it's gonna be great.
We're at the Four Corners Monument.
This is where all 4 states converge, right at this point.
Here's the pan. Come here, baby girl. We can put your luggage on our cargo carrier. We can put the luggage in the car. No, we're gonna use the cargo carrier.
Right?
Well, I'll test it out.
No.
Yes.
Put the heat on.
Fine. Oh, something fell off. I just heard the train horn. I'm like, oh, there's a train.